Alright guys, I wasn't able to split the last video, so it's gonna come in two. So this is what I got. I had to notch out the hub, because if you'll see right there, you can see the bolt and see how the bolt's right at the edge of that. That's how the old one was. The set of 4 holes were round when I got it, so I had to just cut that out. I just did that with the little angle grinder. If I was able to video this stuff, I'd be able to show you guys a little better, but I just used my cheap little angle grinder. Let's see, so here's one of the pieces that came out of it. I just grinded it out, took a few minutes with the old air compressor. So now I'm going to start it up and see what it looks like. The fan looked kind of confusing. When you put it on, it's weird. It's the same both ways. Like this would be in the front right here, even if I flipped it around. So that kind of confused me a little bit, because I wasn't quite sure, which way it goes. Because actually, I hate to even admit this, but when I was a kid, we was messing around with this Toyota pickup, and we saw that the flex fan came off of a wrong. It looked like it was on the wrong way, because you could see the footprint. Anyway, my smart ass says, well, aren't you supposed to blow air through the radiator to cool it? And what ended up happening is the fan blade and the flex fan ended up coming apart, because it was spinning the backwards way, and I didn't figure that out years later. Because whenever something goes wrong, my mind ends up going back and forth and thinking about it. And the fan is supposed to suck the air through the radiator. What a stupid mistake as a kid. But we grow up and we learn. That's what I do. I don't have no proper education and no big fancy schoolings or nothing. So we just learn by trial and error here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up and see if I can't figure out if that's the right way that went. But this is my 1984 K5 Blazer 454, and these are my seats out of an 02 Yukon. They bolt right in. That's one bolt factory hole, and that's another bolt factory hole. I'm needing to get new carpet and stuff in here, because my roof leaked. My roof has leaked. So, all right, here we go. Let's see. I could see some of that fan from here. So, well, it sounds good. Doesn't sound like it's doing anything weird. Get it warmed up and check the timing. My wife mowing the lawn. Got some race gas in here too. I put some in. It needs more fuel, so I'm going to end up pouring more of that race gas in and then going to the gas station. I'm going to go through this winter. I'm going to redo my dash. I'm going to take out the fiberglass holes there in the front, I think, and probably those two. Those. I'll leave the vents in it. And I've thought about covering those up too, but probably not. I'm gonna recover my dash in fiberglass. I got this new technique I've picked up, and I'm gonna video getting that done too. But I haven't put a timing light on this since I ended up swapping out the distributor. I forget what I did. I couldn't get it to start back up. So I think I put a different distributor in it. Yeah, I think that was it. I haven't timed it since then, so. Having fun out there on that riding mower. I love living up here in upstate New York where I live. It's so we get nice green grass. Let's go check out that fan blade. Well, it's spinning. Got an exhaust leak over there. Well, I got headers, so yeah, I got an exhaust leak. Alright, well, I'm going to call it good for now. Love that sound. My flag that I got to get a flagpole for. Radio ain't even that hooked up. I don't need a radio when you got that. Is she gonna stall? I gotta adjust my timing. I'm gonna try doing that. Well, that's it for now. I'm gonna post this one, and there's the old 3-blade. Finally saying goodbye to that old thing. So, alright, that's it for now. If you like my content, like it, hit that like button. If you don't like it, hit the unlike button. At least do something on there so I know if I'm doing good or bad. Like, comment, share the videos to your friends if you think they're cool. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button. Yep. We got a lot of work going on. Finally got these hung up here. So, like, share, subscribe, comment. Do the right thing. Thanks, everybody. Thanks for watching.